So I hope you can give it a try. This is going to be your homework, and it's fairly simple. Just use model builder to establish keys and many-to-many relationship between authors and books in book author table. So first, just create the entity for book author and add the keys for the book ID and author ID. And again, keep in mind this is coming from the book author class, so all this is going to be available to you in IntelliSense. So after you have the keys, just establish the many-to-many relationship in both directions, meaning one author to many books and one book to many authors. I suggest you simply copy what we have so far and modify it for the book author. Just be careful how you modify the actual lambda expressions so they match what you are actually intending them to do. Alright, so I hope you give it a try, and I will see you in the next video where I will show you how I did it.